When other shops make my job hard. That's what I'm going to title this as. You ready? Listen, this lady went to Midas, and they said that she has a new muffler on this car, right? You looked at this car, right? Is there a new muffler on this car?
Not a new muffler.
There's no new muffler, right? So look, the flex pipe's leaking. The rear flex pipe's missing. The rear catalytic converter's missing. All right? The resonator pipe is leaking with all this muffler shit on there, right? And then here's the muffler, which is still original. So where's the new muffler? And they said all she needs is a weld. This was Midas. All you need is a weld, huh? How about this? Ready? Sway bar links, both of them. Check engine lights on. But all she needs is a weld. Left rear caliper, you can see that, that's leaking. That's all she needs. So now me being the pro that I am, I have to call her and tell her that they're fucking morons and you're beyond needing a weld. There's no welding this garbage back together because you need a whole entire exhaust system. Or just repair what's here with new parts. So that would be a flex pipe, a catalytic converter, a resonator, and save this shit back here. Hopefully it's not leaking. Oh, fucking idiots. Yeah, that's all I want. Oh, and the engine light's on, and it's leaking oil. But all it needs is a weld. So Midas, if you're an exhaust shop, I used to work at Midas. I know they have welders. They probably don't have anyone who knows how to weld there, right? That would be my guess, because why the fuck wouldn't you weld it? How many welds would you need on the system? Fucking 10? Trying to weld through muffler mud and all that shit and broken flex pipes? Is it Meineke an exhaust shop? Not Midas and Meineke started around the same time. So yes, Midas started as exhaust and brakes and then introduced front end. Same thing with Meineke, but here they go. They prioritize their business system on changing oil and rotating tires and lug nuts. And now they don't do exhaust anymore, even though people think they do exhaust. But they don't have anybody that can weld or make exhaust or flex pipes. They don't have the skill in the shop. Why? Because who wants to change oil all goddamn day long? That's all they advertise is oil, like Mavis, right? Mavis oil changes constantly. Quick Lubes, right? Firestone, they're all trying to get that customer in for that quick lube experience and then trying to sell you all this shit under the sun. But then when they actually need you to perform what your core service is, they don't have anyone in the shop to fucking do it. Yeah. And then now you're at a real exhaust shop and we got to tell them the real story because we're experts and they're not. Thanks for watching.